No manches.
The rains continue to wreak havoc in the state of Mexico, and this time, the Toluca area has been one of the hardest hit.
Hijo de su reverenda.
On Monday, an intense storm surprised motorists traveling on the Mexico-Toluca highway, causing flooding, low visibility, and severe traffic complications. The high traffic volume, combined with adverse weather conditions, has created a risky situation for drivers and passengers. Flooding has been reported at several points along the Mexico-Toluca highway, especially in the section between Paseo Tollocan, near Pilars, and Sendero, making some lanes impassable. This area remains under heavy rainfall, forcing some motorists to stop while others try to navigate through the puddles and streams crossing the roads. The risk increases as the afternoon progresses, with continued rain and constant reports of reduced visibility, seriously affecting traffic in both Toluca and San Mateo Atenco. Water has covered entire streets, transforming them into veritable urban rivers, with a completely overcast sky giving residents no respite. The storm has also spread to other towns such as Metepec, Calimaya, Mexico-Toluca, and San Antonio La Isla, where the Tenango-Toluca highway has begun to experience hail, adding another danger factor to those traveling in this area.